All right, having been spoiled with 20, 21, 22 degrees for the beginning of November, you know the snow had to come, and so it's going to snow tomorrow and Wednesday, but it really depends on where you are because it's also going to rain. And that's because temperatures are like 2, 3 degrees, so just warm enough to start mixing in some rain, especially along the lakeshore. So first, current temperatures too. These are below seasonal, and we're going to stay below seasonal all week long. When we look to the west to see what's coming, there ain't no warmth. Nope, it's straight up blue, and these are below seasonal temps that, again, are going to stick with us here over the next week. So that means lake effect snow because you need unfrozen water. First, you also need winds aligned or all coming in from the same direction at all levels. You need that warm water. The difference between the water and the air that's 1,500 meters up, that temperature difference has to be at least 13 degrees. The bigger that number, the more intense the snowfall as the wind blows over the lake. So tomorrow night, we're going to be right bang on 13 degrees. So that makes us, really close to being either rain or snow. So it's a difficult forecast, but we do know that those temperatures are staying below seasonal until next week. So that means all week long we have this chance for lake effect snow. And in addition to that, we're going to bring in that system that's stateside as well. So the two are going to interact and bringing us snow. That lake effect snow band, though, by the way, into the weekend. I'm going to talk more about Toronto in a second, but if you had plans to travel stateside to maybe do some shopping in Buffalo Saturday or Sunday, you might want to think twice because this is the forecast snow. And again, these amounts could be sort of within 10 or 15 centimeters, but still anything over 50, that's 50 centimeters of snow for parts of Buffalo and even higher amounts across upstate New York there with that lake effect snow. For us, it's wind chills of -7 in the morning. I put that rain snow mix on top of this graphic here, but that's mainly for the west end in the morning, so Burlington, Oakville. The rain snow mix moves into Toronto tomorrow. A lot of melting on impact. It's more wet than anything until Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. That's when we're talking about 3 to 6 centimeters of snow that parts of the North GTA will be waking up to. Again, right along the lake for the next couple of days, we're going to be mixing in that rain, but those cold temperatures are here to stay. Morning wind chills by the weekend, so Saturday and Sunday morning, we could be waking up to feels like of -10 to -14.